Today I'm going to move the globe artichoke to make space for my summer and autumn fruit and raspberries. I'm Kimmy and welcome to my channel. It's raining outside right now, so I'm not sure how much footage I can get. I'll quickly go out there now so you can see what I'm going to dig up and where I'm going to put it. This is where I'm going to put the raspberries. So this globe artichoke needs moving. So I'm going to put the globe artichoke here, right next to the blackcurrant bush. That's it out now. I tried to keep most of the soil on, but I failed doing that. That's what the roots look like. Do you think it's going to survive? That's in now. I moved the compost bin there. I've just been doing a bit of weeding and I've put the canes down to see if they would fit alright. And I think it'll look alright. That's weeded now. I'm just going to get rid of these and then go get the raspberries ready to be planted in there. That's that done for today now. I've done one row of the summerfruitingraspberries and only managed up to here of the autumn's fruiting raspberries. So I'll be back tomorrow. It's now March and I'm going to try and finish off planting the rest of the autumn fruiting raspberries. Now I've got to get all that in there. I've just placed all them in. I've got one full row of them now. And I dug up some dahlias I forgot I had in the ground. Damaged it a little bit there. I'm not sure what to do with it now, whether to plant it or pot it up and put it in the greenhouse. Little ones. It's not soft or anything. I've just super quickly just popped the dahlias up in here. And they're going to be in the cold frame. Hopefully they'll survive. That's the raspberries in now. Another job off the list. A full row of autumn fruit and raspberries. And summer fruiting raspberries. That's finally done. I can concentrate on other things now. And just watch them grow. Because I have got a lot of other things to be doing. Now I'm going to go home because I've got my son's parents' evening. Online parents' evening. Half an hour, so bye. Thanks for watching, everyone.